Watch as this lady decides that she has enough time to do a U-turn and ends up blocking the road for this oncoming rescue truck. You can almost see what happened. The truck and the police officer just barely missed her. You know it's the law that if you hear a siren, you have to exit the road, pull over, or get out of the way. Get out of the way. This lady did exactly the opposite of that. She literally blocked the road and gave the driver of rescue truck number 1 in Wilkes County only just a few feet to zigzag through there at a pretty high speed. Don't do this. If you know who this lady is, tell her to stop doing that. She's going to get killed, or worse yet, she's going to kill someone else.